Hi, this is Hardin Tate with RedwoodForex.com, and I'm doing a recap video of the Euro Pound trade that I posted the other day. So this ended up being a loss, but that's okay. The bar that was in question was this bullish outside bar right here, and it was engulfing 1, 2, 3 bars. Upon further review, it probably would have been better had this bar finished more up in this area and had finished above this high right here. And the reason why I say that is this was the last little price flip area. We have this high right here, this high right here lining up, and then this low right here. So what happened is we had this low, price broke through, able to close above, and then when it came back it flipped, and then it flipped again. And then we got the outside bar, which I really like the location. That's what really made me take the trade, was the location. But it would have been better had it finished above, show that there was more bulls in this area. And on top of that, we had this previous bullish outside bar that wasn't even that big, but it did go for almost 200 pips. So we ended up with this other bullish bar in the same location. The only thing we can go off is history, and so I figured we had a good shot of it making its way up to the 0.83 level. Not only did we have these lows lining up here, but also we had this diagonal line that intersected very nicely in this area. But at the same time, while it was going at this steepness, over time it got even steeper. So if I put this one right here and line up with that right here, you can see this point, and this point, we're keeping this boxed in, and the downtrend continued. So with this, I had my entry at the 0.824 area. And the reason was that in the past, the two eyes onto the side of this previous outside bar lined up very nicely at the 0.824 level, and then over here, price was having trouble finishing below it. You can see all these lows and opens around this area. So it was a very good area to try to get back into the market. So we had our stop behind the back of this bar, and it was a 40 pip loss in the end, which isn't that bad. Losing is part of trading. As long as you have proper money management, you can live to trade the next day. I recommend not risking any more than 2% of your account on any trade. So if you do have a loss, you can trade again and hopefully make money. There's just no point to continuously keep moving your stop and hoping and praying that the market's going to return in your favor. So now that it's down here, I mean, it could come back up, but it's whatever. I'm over it. I'm on to the next endeavor. And the last thing that I did like about this trade was that it did have divergence. And that just simply means on the market, we had a lower low than the previous low, but on the oscillator we had a higher low. And that just shows that the momentum going this way is probably running out. It's not the greatest amount of divergence, but I felt like this was a good enough opportunity that I could have taken a risk and could have made some money. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Please visit redwoodforex.com and have a great day.